Hi, I'm Tricia Thomas, the CEO of Bay East, and I'm here to welcome you to our association. We are all looking forward to helping you succeed and prosper in your new real estate career. I want to tell you about a program that we designed especially for you. It's called the New Agent Success Program. And we also have tools and tips online at our website under Roadmap to Success. This is going to give you resources, suggestions, ideas, and goals that will help guide you through the first 2 years of your real estate business. It's a great tool. Our members love it. We get great feedback. Please start it today. You'll be very happy you did. With over 30 years at Bay East, I have seen thousands of new agents become realtors. But the ones who are the most successful tell me the same thing, and I want to pass the advice along to you. Find a mentor in your industry, someone who's experienced the highs and lows of the business, someone who's seen how real estate markets evolve, change, and most importantly, someone who knows how to grow relationships and build strong networks. So where do you get started? The best place to find a mentor is talk to your broker or your office manager. They're vested in your success. And if you haven't found that mentor yet, another resource for you is the Roadmap to Success. It's going to give you a lot of valuable tips, questions to ask, and information that'll get you started. Thanks again for joining Bay East. Don't hesitate to reach out to me or any of our staff with your questions or suggestions. We're here to help you be successful and prosper. Congratulations.